Wow, what is this? A magic brush. Let's learn colors together. Let's make red. Red like an apple. Now blue. Blue like a ball.
Green. Green like a tree.
Yellow. Yellow like the sun. Orange. Orange like an orange. Purple. Purple like grapes. Pink. Pink like a balloon. Wow, so many colors! We learned colors! Yay! Bye-bye!